Style isn't just about looking good for a moment, it's an attitude, something that sticks with you no matter where life takes you. At CasualFlowShop, we believe style should be effortless, just like our hoodies. It's all about easy to wear, easy to match. Our hoodie is that piece of clothing you can throw on without a second thought and still feel like you're pulling off a great look. Whether you're heading out to meet friends, catching a flight, or just grabbing a coffee, this hoodie has got you covered. Life moves fast, but your clothing should keep up. That's why we designed for those who are always on the go. Live life on the move, and let your clothes adapt to you, not the other way around. Whether you're hitting the gym or hanging out downtown, this hoodie transitions with you seamlessly. And when it comes to quality you can feel and style you can see, you deserve both. Our hoodie isn't just soft and cozy, it's built to last, no matter how often you wear it. You'll notice the difference the moment you put it on. At CasualFlowShop, we're all about keeping things simple but stylish. No hassle, no fuss, just comfort and fashion that work for you every single day. Our hoodie lets you dress with confidence and ease. And remember, every step you take is an opportunity to shine. No matter where you're headed, our hoodie is right there with you, giving you the style and confidence to own your day. So, wear it your way, live it your way, because style is more than just temporary. It's who you are.